tuning in. It's the Gar Bear here like always, and I wanted to make a quick little video to celebrate because we have finally reached 1,000 subscribers! Woo! And honestly, that wouldn't be possible without you guys because the subscriber count, that doesn't have anything to do with me. I mean, I make the videos, but that represents you guys. And honestly, I want to say from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you guys subscribing. I almost just hit a bird. Sorry. I really want to thank you guys so much though, really from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't do this without you guys because being able to see you guys like the videos and I can see you guys are sharing them and seeing the view counts go up, to me, that is like pushes me when I'm in a low spot and making videos to keep putting stuff out there because I know that there's people out there that are appreciating it. And so I just wanted to make this video to show how much I appreciate you guys. And I'm humbled and happy that you guys enjoy the videos so much that you subscribe to the channel and keep watching them. I wanted to say once again from the bottom of my heart, thanks doesn't really say enough. But I just wanted to really show my appreciation for you guys and show that I care and that I just am really happy that people are enjoying the content I'm putting out there, and I am really appreciative of your guys' support. But yeah, I hope you guys just keep joining me on the journey with all the cars. Who knows, you know, when I started this channel a few years ago, I had no idea how it was going to pan out. I was just doing it mostly just because I wanted to try something different, and it's been fun making little videos and getting to know my cars a little bit more and learn a lot. And I'm glad that I've been able to share the knowledge I've learned and some of the fun times with you guys as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in all these years, and I keep appreciating you guys tuning in as we go on further with the videos. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos, and thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Woo! Let's celebrate! Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Please keep watching my videos and I'm going to keep making them. Thanks, you guys.